He lost almost half his strength before he found a simple solution. Everyday things like standing up, carrying groceries, or playing with grandkids can feel much harder as we get older. Why does this happen? As we get older, we lose muscle and strength. But you can do something about it. The answer isn't just exercise or buying expensive pills. It starts right in your kitchen. Eating the right foods at the right times can help you stay strong. Today, I'll show you 8 foods that science says help you stay strong. These foods help you build and keep muscle after 60, and why some old health advice is changing. Subscribe to the longevity table for more simple tips, and let's get started on your journey to staying strong. Let's talk about a simple food that can help your muscles, especially as you get older. The first food is Greek yogurt. Many people eat it, but they do not know how good it is for building muscle. Greek yogurt is often missed when we talk about foods that help us stay strong. Greek yogurt has a lot of protein. It has more protein than regular yogurt. This makes it a great choice if you want to keep or build muscle. As we get older, our bodies do not use protein as well as before. This is normal, but we can help our bodies by eating enough protein. This happens because of something called anabolic resistance. It means our muscles do not use protein as well as they used to. So, we need to help our muscles by eating the right foods. Greek yogurt has protein that is easy for your body to use. Its smooth texture helps your body take in the protein and use it well. This helps your muscles get stronger. The protein in Greek yogurt gives your muscles what they need to repair and grow. Studies show that older people who eat more dairy protein, like Greek yogurt, get real benefits. They keep more muscle and can move better. This helps them stay healthy and independent as they age. For the best results, eat Greek yogurt as a snack before bed. This helps your muscles recover and grow while you sleep. Greek yogurt has casein protein which digests slowly. It gives your muscles a steady supply of protein all night. This turns your sleep into a time for building muscle. While you rest, your body repairs and rebuilds muscle. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Added sugar can take away some of the health benefits. Add berries for natural sweetness and extra vitamins, or add nuts for healthy fats and a nice crunch. Nuts also help you feel full. This simple habit can change your nightly routine. Over time, it can make a big difference. It is a smart way to help your muscles. You are taking action to support your body. A small bowl of Greek yogurt before bed is more than just a snack. It is a way to care for your health for years to come. Science shows this can help you wake up stronger and ready for the day. Make Greek yogurt a regular part of your diet to fight muscle loss as you age. Doing this often is the key to seeing results. It is one of the easiest and best changes you can make to stay strong and healthy. Do not forget how powerful this simple food is. Greek yogurt shows us that easy foods can help our health a lot. Your muscles will thank you every morning, and you will feel stronger and have more energy. Let's talk about a breakfast food that helps your muscles. Next up is the egg. Eggs are a classic breakfast. People eat them all over the world. Eggs have the best kind of protein for building and keeping muscle. They have all the important building blocks your body needs but cannot make by itself. Eggs are full of something called leucine, which helps your muscles grow. Leucine is like a switch that tells your body to build and fix muscle. Studies show eating whole eggs, not just the whites, is best for your muscles. Eggs help your muscles get stronger after you exercise. They help your body heal and grow. Eating eggs in the morning, after a good night's sleep, stops your muscles from breaking down and keeps them strong. Eggs also help your muscles start growing for the day so you can stay active. Don't be afraid of the yellow part, the yolk. The yolk has leucine, vitamin D, and B12, all important for your muscles, nerves, and energy. New research shows the cholesterol in eggs does not raise most people's blood cholesterol. So, enjoy eggs without worry. You can eat eggs scrambled, poached, or in an omelet with vegetables for extra goodness. Whole eggs are a tasty and easy way to help your muscles and stay active. Try starting your day with 2 or 3 eggs if that works for you. This tells your body to build and keep muscle. It's not just about feeling full. It's smart eating for strength, so you can stay active and do what you love. Make eggs your morning habit to help stop muscle loss and keep moving well. Eggs are simple, not expensive, and science shows they help your muscles and health. Your muscles will feel the difference, and so will you. Don't skip this breakfast hero. Make eggs a regular part of your morning for strong muscles. Our third food is red meat. For many years, people have eaten red meat for protein and strength. It has been a big part of meals in many families, but now, doctors and nutrition experts are looking at red meat more closely. They are asking if it is as healthy as we once thought. Red meat used to be seen as very good for muscle and health, especially for older people. But new research shows the story is more complicated. Some old ideas about red meat are changing. A recent study found that eating enough protein is important for keeping your muscles strong. But eating a lot of red meat is not always better for strength. Eating mostly red meat does not mean you will be stronger, especially as you get older. Eating too much red meat can also be risky. It may not be good for your heart, and it can raise the chance of some cancers. So what should you do? The best answer is to eat red meat in moderation. Eating many different foods is the healthiest way. Red meat can be part of your diet. It gives you important nutrients and protein, but it should not be the main part of every meal. Try to eat a mix of foods for better health. If you eat red meat, choose lean cuts with less fat. This helps lower the amount of unhealthy fat you eat. Keep your portions small. Watch how much you eat so you do not get too many calories or fat. Enjoy red meat as a treat, not every day. Save it for special meals or after a hard workout. After exercise, your muscles need protein to heal and grow. Red meat can help, but you do not need it all the time. Try to eat other proteins too, like chicken, which has less fat, or fish, which is full of healthy oils and nutrients, and plant foods like beans, lentils, and tofu. These help you stay healthy for a long time. Remember, what we know about food changes as new studies come out. The most important thing is to eat a mix of foods. This gives your body many different nutrients. Red meat is not bad if you eat it sometimes, but it should not be the main food on your plate every day. Use red meat wisely. Watch your portion size and how you cook it. Think of it as one good choice among many in your diet. The real secret to staying strong and healthy is eating many different foods, not just one special food or ingredient. Let new research and good advice help you make smart food choices. Be open to learning new things about food and change your diet if needed. Your muscles and your heart will thank you for eating a balanced and healthy diet. The fourth food is salmon. Salmon is a great food for your muscles. It gives you high-quality protein and healthy omega-3 fats, which help lower swelling in your body that can make it harder to build muscle. When we get older, we can have more swelling, called inflammaging. This makes it harder to keep and grow muscle. Studies show omega-3s help older people have more muscle and strength. They also help your body use protein better. Try to eat salmon or other fatty fish 2 times a week, cooked by baking, grilling, or steaming. Add healthy fats like olive oil to help your body use the nutrients even better. If you do not like fish, you can try a good fish oil supplement, but eating real fish is best. Salmon is more than just a meal. It helps your muscles stay healthy. Try to eat it often for less swelling and stronger muscles. Your muscles will work better, heal faster, and stay strong. Don't miss out on this healthy food from the sea. Number 5 on our list is lentils. Lentils are a strong plant protein. They have lots of protein and fiber, which help your muscles heal and keep your stomach healthy. A healthy stomach helps you take in more nutrients and fight swelling in the body. Both are important for strong muscles. Studies show that a good vegetarian diet with enough protein can keep your muscles strong, just like a diet with meat. You can eat lentils with whole grains, like brown rice, to get all the building blocks your body needs. Lentils are cheap, easy to use, and simple to add to soups, salads, or veggie burgers. They give you steady energy and help your muscles stay strong all day. Don't forget about these small beans. They are a smart way to build strength. Try adding lentils to your lunch for slow, steady muscle-building power. Plant foods help you live longer and feel better. Your muscles and your wallet will thank you. Our 6th food is cottage cheese. It is the best snack before bed to help your muscles. Cottage cheese has a special protein called casein. Casein digests slowly and feeds your muscles all night while you sleep. Studies show eating collagen before bed helps your muscles grow while you rest. It helps your body stop breaking down muscle and start building it. A small bowl before bed gives your body protein for many hours. This helps your muscles repair and grow stronger. Pick cottage cheese that is low in salt and has some fat. This helps you feel full and helps your body use vitamins. Add fruit or nuts for more taste and extra health benefits. This simple habit can really help your muscles after age 60. Eating cottage cheese before sleep turns your night into a time for building muscle. It is one of the easiest and best ways to keep your muscles strong. Make cottage cheese your nightly habit for lasting strength. Number 7 is spinach. It's a leafy green that helps your muscles in ways you might not expect. Spinach is not just about protein, it's full of magnesium and nitrates. These are both very important for your muscles to work well. Magnesium helps your muscles move and gives you energy. Nitrates help your blood flow and give you more strength. Many older people do not get enough magnesium. This can make you feel weak or cause muscle cramps. Studies show that more magnesium means better strength and movement. Nitrates in spinach help your blood move better, so your muscles can work harder and heal faster. Add spinach to salads, omelets, or smoothies for an easy way to get more nutrients. Don't forget, small nutrients are important for your muscles too. Leafy greens like spinach help build strength from the inside out. Every bite of spinach helps your muscles stay strong. Our last food is pumpkin seeds. They are small, but they are very good for your muscles. Pumpkin seeds have lots of magnesium and zinc. These minerals help your muscles heal and grow. Magnesium helps your muscles work well, and zinc helps your body repair and keeps your hormones healthy. Studies show that older people with enough zinc and magnesium have stronger muscles. You can eat pumpkin seeds as a snack, or put them on salads or yogurt, or mix them into a smoothie. They are much better than chips or cookies. Pumpkin seeds help fill important gaps in your diet. Think of magnesium and zinc as helpers for your muscles. Pumpkin seeds are easy to add, not expensive, and taste good. Along with the other foods we talked about, pumpkin seeds help complete your muscle building plan. These tiny seeds can make a big difference. Try to eat them every day to help keep your muscles strong for life. We've talked about 8 important foods today. These foods include Greek yogurt and pumpkin seeds. They can help you stay strong after you turn 60. Eating the right foods at the right times matters. These foods give your body what it needs to build muscle, help lower swelling in your body, and give you important minerals to stop muscle loss. Which food did you find most surprising? Please tell us in the comments below. Remember, doing something healthy once is good, but making it a habit is even better. Eating healthy often will help you feel stronger for a long time. Take care of your body, and your body will take care of you. Subscribe to the Longevity Table for more easy health tips. Until next time, stay strong and eat well.